You're looking for the little bit with the alligator's teeth right there?
What's here?
I don't know, it's probably somewhere in the box. You're doing such a good job with the puzzle, I'm not going to help you. You can do it all by yourself.
Say she did all that by herself.
She did all that by herself with no help, except I opened the box and then she took out all those pieces on her own. She is very smart and knows just how to do this puzzle. Oh, now she's getting sidetracked, trying to do things in a way that would make sense. Why don't you start on a new animal? And you can fit in the pieces later. Oh, yep, there you go. Wow, you're really better at it than I would have been.
Where's this go?
You can do it.
Where's this go?
I don't know, take out some more pieces to go with it.
Where's another piece? Where's another piece?
That whole box is full of other pieces. Just take out the other piece you think goes with that. You can even dump out all the pieces, if that makes it easier.
This is this goes with this.
That's right.
Was he able to his plant? Was he able to have his plant?
Where's the
right
little
there?
bit of his plant? I don't know. I think you have to find a piece that would fit in that spot. You have the whole box to look through. She's so cute how she does it.
Oh, she's so cute. She's
That's right.
Once before, it's unbelievable.
Where is it? This goes right here.
That's right. That was a little bit of the alligator's tail, and it goes right
Was
here.
he able to alligator's teeth?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's next to the lion. You are very good at puzzle. I'm going to go try to finish your dinner.